All right, we've made it to the Wilderness Run Alpine coaster. We're gonna go inside and see what it takes to ride this sucker down the hill and find out who will be the fastest of all of us. Right? That's what I'm saying. I don't think I could have pushed her up there. I'm not doing it from her, I'm doing it for me. Go, Carter, go!
Oh, you were filming?
Yeah. Now my people all think you're quitters.
Well,
Twisted game hide and seek, stand your darkness in defeat. Another day without relief leaves me broken. Curtains falling all around.
The way I ride, they had to bring out a new cart.
he said, "Oh, this guy's big. We need this guy."
This guy goes at a professional level of alpine sledding.
So valuable. What does you make it about?
Guy, you know. All right, we're on. There's definitely a use your camera at your own risk kind of thing. Heading up. I'm so excited because we passed by this before. We're gonna see if we can do this one-handed. I hope we can. No, I'm not scared at all. I don't know, I can't tell in the sunlight if I can see anybody who I'm with behind me. And then you think, do you want to film yourself or the ride? I think I'm gonna go forward. No one needs to see my head giggling and laughing like a schoolgirl riding down. But that looks pretty cool over there. $20 if I drop this or anything else. I think my pockets are pretty well closed. Again, we'll do a check, see how far they are behind us. Hopefully, they won't catch me, but they might. Yeah. All right, that's pretty good. Seamus is gonna catch me. I see you! He's coming at me a lot faster. Woo! Seamus is so close behind us. I hear him. He's right there. All right, that's pretty good. Oh, I thought I did that automatically. I didn't realize it was me.
Not automatically just yet. A little bit more. And you're good.
All right. Yeah, you were doing great. You were going really fast.
Fly off.
Yeah.
I'm glad. That's a very, very big risk. I'm not willing to take.
That was fun. You were cooking, dude.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, you can slow down.
I know. I was holding the camera. And Carter, thoughts?
Excellent.
Ethan, thoughts?
Like a racetrack.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You didn't see his big smile.
$16. Is that worth it? Is that it's a $16 ride?
Yeah.
And then you could do 35 for 3.
Which
So-
would actually be probably good.
Much better
It's
deal.
It's not a very long ride.
It's not very long, but I got 16 bucks out of that, definitely. So if you're here in the greater Banner Elk area, I highly recommend you check out Wilderness Run. Alpine Coaster Lodge
Yeah, something like that.
Machine. They have other stuff too, but we're not doing that.
Why do you take so much weird gear?
Mountains.